This is the AI News Flash for April 17th, 6 a.m. UTC. First up, Apollo Global Management President Jim Zelter has warned that the AI investment boom may not deliver adequate returns for investors. Speaking on Goldman Sachs' Exchanges podcast, Zelter said there is no doubt AI will have massive utility, citing the track record of cell phones and other technology over the past 30 years, but questioned whether the economic owners will harvest the right returns. Zelter estimated U.S. data centers alone could require $5 to $6 trillion over the next 5 years, describing the build-out as a massive capex cycle that is turning an asset-light business into asset-heavy. His comments reflect growing Wall Street caution about the profitability of AI infrastructure spending, with a key question being what returns shareholders will ultimately see. Second, network connectivity supplier Credo Technology has acquired Dust Photonics, a specialist in silicon photonics photonic integrated circuit technology for optical transceivers. The deal gives Credo a vertically integrated connectivity stack spanning SerDes, DSP, silicon photonics, and system integration, addressing both electrical and optical interconnects across the full AI infrastructure build-out. Dust Photonics' SiPho PICs are already deployed in transceivers at leading hyperscale AI clusters and are in design for near-port optics and co-packaged optics applications. CEO William Brennan called the acquisition a defining step in Credo's strategy to lead across the full spectrum of AI connectivity, projecting over $500 million in optical revenue in fiscal 2027. Third, actor and book club founder Reese Witherspoon has drawn sharp backlash from the literary community after posting an Instagram reel urging followers that it's time to learn AI. Witherspoon cited statistics that jobs held by women are 3 times more likely to be automated by AI, while women use AI at a rate 25% lower than men, urging them not to be left behind. Authors responded harshly. Screenwriter Charlene Bagkel called the post a scripted ad saying AI's biggest offenders are those cashing checks from it. Get Well Soon author Jennifer Wright wrote that AI plagiarized all her books and she is unlikely to be left behind. Wow. Separately, the State Bar of California is disciplining 3 attorneys for citing non-existent legal decisions generated by AI, highlighting widening social divisions over AI adoption. Fourth, Swedish telecoms equipment maker Ericsson slightly missed profit expectations for the first quarter of 2026. A rising chip costs driven by AI demand, along with slowing sales in North America, weighed on the company's results. The pattern illustrates how AI-driven price increases for memory and advanced logic chips are squeezing margins at telecom equipment and industrial electronics manufacturers. The competition for AI infrastructure semiconductors is cascading through supply chains of traditional industries, forcing companies to reconsider pricing and procurement strategies. Fifth, the New York State Common Retirement Fund, one of the largest U.S. public pensions, has joined an allocator coalition pushing portfolio companies for greater AI transparency. Institutional investors are increasingly coordinating to demand disclosures on AI governance, risk management, and workforce impacts from the companies they invest in. The move embeds AI transparency into corporate evaluation, using frameworks similar to ESG investing, signaling that AI governance is becoming a mainstream capital markets criterion. Companies will face increasing pressure to provide detailed disclosure of AI strategy and risks, raising both compliance burdens and the quality of investor dialogue. That's all for this AI News Flash.